my London Lash Pro order came. This is how it comes via DHL. Shout out to Danielle. I started watching her on YouTube. She's awesome. Her videos are really, really dope, and I appreciate all the information that she shares. And this is what is in the bag. Bubble wrap, red, nicely packaged so far, and box. This is really cute. Like, I really like the packaging. Like, I low-key have a thing with packaging. I didn't think I would, but I do. And it's like the magnetic. Like, I can definitely use this box for something. Maybe my disposables. I don't know. Who knows? Ooh. Ooh. So they gave me some cute sticker. Oh, they're tattoos. Oh, that is super cute. So I ordered a Sky Adhesive. It is the Sky Adhesive. I don't know. It comes like this. And then I ordered a remover, which is the cherry scent. I also ordered a Jade stone. And I thought it was green. Oh, no. Nope, I lied. I did order the pink one. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to use this stuff. I can't wait. I can't wait. Then I ordered a cleanser also in cherry. I heard that the cherry flavor, the cherry scent smell really good. So, remover, cleanser. I ordered the cleanser slash protein remover, and I heard this was good for new lash techs. I don't know if you can see that. I ordered 2 of those, and then I ordered, like, my camera's literally bust out, some tools. So I'm gonna be really quick. I really like the box. It looks like a lip gloss or like liquid lipstick box. So I know I ordered. Oh, so this is the C one. And don't worry, you guys, I will be cleaning these. I have other tweezers that I need to clean, so. Yep, I ordered, nope, and this is the L shape, or like the 90 degree or 45 degree. I'm still learning, you guys. I know I ordered 2 of the C-shaped ones, I believe, and this is just a straight. You know, I thought I would like a longer one, so I think this is like the 14 one, but I actually think I would prefer the shorter one. Like, I feel like it just feels more comfortable on my hand. Yeah, so I ordered 2 of the C shape. That was number 13. The straight was number 18. The 45 degree one was number 15. So, yeah. So I just ordered 2 of these. So in total, I have in my kit other tweezers. So I now have a duplicate. I don't know if I'm making sense. What did I do with the tweezers? I don't know. I guess in another video. Yeah. So, as y'all may know at this point, I am certified to do lash extensions. Can I just say, before I go, that after I made my order, right, I got an email from, I can't remember who, but a staff from London Lash Pro personally thanking me for my order. Now, it didn't seem generic. Now, it could have been generic, but I don't know. It didn't seem generic. It seemed actually very genuine. And when I tell you that, like, little touches like that wants me to keep making my purchases through them. Now, although I want to kind of, you know, see what else is out there as options, as in makeup and clothes and things like that. You want to keep your options open, yes. But definitely this will not be my first and nor my last order with London Lash Pro. Like, so far so good. And I like that the tweezers are shorter than the tweezers that I already have. I feel like I would have more control with the shorter tweezers. But yeah, this was just a quick you know, unboxing with London Lash Pro. And I just want to say thank you. This video is not sponsored. These items were not free. I paid for everything. I just wanted to share with you guys my journey, since this is kind of what my channel is like kind of gearing towards to now. Journey with makeup artistry, journey with my lash extension business, and just kind of rebranding myself and just kind of growing and things like that. But yeah, let me just hit y'all on the next one, because my camera is literally about to die. It's flashing, it's warning me. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.